Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rochelle. This is Xavier right here, and Zaya is sleeping in the back. With just the Bigsuper. As we left out of the place and we are talking about the Bigsuper. We are at where the 990 sleeping is 650. Everywhere you look, then dig up the road. Like what if a new place I build up, them new place there. Never did it so one time they live at St. Thomas. So all of them places are new to me. And that mark on the place.
That's a Bigsuper.
Bigsuper always go there. One thing me like is that the road just wide. The road wide now. The only bad parts are like one time because we got bad. Some might can then just fix out of Puto City so. Just fix out of Puto City so. But when I go hear the AC blow, the place hot. Hot your fat. Look like people not build stone wall again, just concrete. I just block. They use. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Rochelle. This is Xavier right here. And Zaya is sleeping in the back because she's tired. I think she's jet lagged. But anyway, we are heading to Markby now. I don't know where to go because Markby have so much one ways and stuff like that, so I don't know how we are gonna manage for going out of town so we can go to supermarket and get like some special jerk seasoning and Maggi seasoning to bring home and get like some yogurt and some stuff for Zaya so she can eat today and tomorrow when she wake up and eat later in the evening because she eat food. Today I eat Miss Renta yam. My father yam and dumpling with cabbage and carrot and brown stew chicken. And to my surprise, Zaya eat the renta and it tastes really good. No long with the piece of yam and I couldn't believe Zaya eat it. I couldn't believe Zaya eat the yam, but she did eat that this morning and then she eat pouch and drink some juice and some water, but she'd fall asleep now, so I know she still wants something to eat. But I still have a piece of the yam left back in the box. Until she get up, I can give her a piece and the rest of brown stew chicken and make she eat that. But for now, I head to Markby. We just reach out of Prospect. And I have to come back and go rest off a little bit for the setup, the 9-night tonight. And then tomorrow the funeral. Show the road nice. Well, all them parts are nice. And then you reach out a works yard where them make the bridge and them dig up one part towards close to fish cove this so. Right, well I basically it works yard. But the road the prospect stretch always nice. I go up in a Markby but because I don't know how to direct Xavier on the road and Zaya sleep, so I know one little supermarket there right somewhere right here so I start the road, not to start the road but before we start the road one little we stop there the last time we come and get some water and juice and something, so I right this way I go back now because we're familiar with this so we can't maneuver up in a I go straight but what should I go on here so I can't take the confusion and the problem.
Hold on now, one way?
Is that one way?
That me trying to figure out.
No, it's not a one way.
Really?
No, it's not a one way. Tea biscuit. Oh. Alright guys, I just got a place, my name Any Money Supermarket, because as I said, we don't know how to maneuver the place with the sign. Can you not sign a deficit? This is a one way or this is a whatever.
Oh,
So
by the way, did you buy pen? Your pen can I pay?
yeah, I buy them then I'm buy. So you want to look with us something I buy, I come up to $6,145. I buy 3 Catherine's Peak water, the long one. How much owns that? 1.5 liter. And I buy one Lucozade, I buy 3 tea biscuits. That's why I buy one. 3 tea biscuits, some pouch, 6 pouch. I buy a Maggi seasoning. Them so them not have no pound seasoning. And I have to pick up 4 of the local one them and it come out to pound. So I pick up that. Whenever I want I'll pick up so much so I pick up just 1 pound of the special jerks with the pimento in there and the pepper seed and everything. I buy that. I'm gonna buy one Maggi season and one all-purpose, not the small one, you know, the big one. And everything go up to 6,145, I think. I'm gonna buy 3 Advil liquid gel. I think that's all I'm gonna buy. And 3 apple juice Desire, because our apple juice that I'm gonna bring. Fab soap, yes.
I didn't mind when we like, no?
No, this I forgot that. The bleach soap. No, that me I thought the something I put in water to wash your clothes when we came from Jamaica. But then some the name some liquor, it come in one liquor pack. But I don't remember what the name. On that, I forgot that, you know. Alright, so we are taking about the journey and head back to Bath.
Yep.
So guys, we're heading back to Bath now. We're not get to go up in a Mark Bay. My brother another here for direct. We can go and pick up people from airport. So we have to just go where we know, which is right there. So with my other brother.
One way?
One way? No. With my other brother, he might tell us if we come. But my other brother,
They're on the other side, I thought.
well, my other brother did bring we. How would that? You know, so you can drive this again, but pilot.
Really?
Yeah. Go up Staten Road and go and you go on one place named Pilot.
That's good, I know.
It's a Bigsuper there.
A Bigsuper there?
It's a big
super. No, that's not the Bigsuper. Good to go.
Yeah.
Pull up, yeah.
This is all about
and she see, you know?
I mean, see, I said, see Bigsuper there.
A YouTuber, so that DJ,
Yeah.
what I want to name,
Osmo Pocket.
Osmo come at the 5, and I want a little bit and small.
Oh, yeah, the action camera.
Yeah, Action Pro.
Yeah. I have the 4 for that one.
Yeah.
Good, oh, that's one good camera.
Yeah, so what kind of mission on your hand now?
No, we just come at this place when you have any money, come get some seasoning.
We're going to come and rob you at the restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, we never go there yet.
The old spoken vendor, she gone on, she on some mission, so she not only the one at the market.
Oh, the other lady.
Yeah, that is
Always
Mary.
going there.
Mary.
And things. So we're not heading now.
We're heading to Bath.
We
We
come
come
for a
for a
funeral.
funeral.
So now we can come to the back and let me up at the make them cook shop.
Yeah, man.
On the way.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hold on, make a reverse look a bit. That's my time I created it.
Name?
I am Rochelle, and he's
that's
Xavier.
And Ezekiel.
Xavier.
Xavier.
Yeah.
Where you get that name from, Papa?
Catholic name, you know?
Catholic?
Yeah.
Okay, Xavier. Okay. We bring blessing.
Yeah, man, we are trying to get for 1,000 subscribers. I think we're 6 something.
659.
Yeah.
Okay.
I try
So,
to get...
only together blogs.
Yeah.
Like, take the number.
Like family vlog.
Yeah.
Take a number, please.
Take the number and call me and send me a link.
Like family vlog. The channel name The Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
What name, The Right?
Yes, the rights. Because that's our name.
Oh, alright, GHC?
WRIGHT.
Alright, GHC, The Right.
Alright, yeah, give me a number now.
779 0045.
When you normally make a vlog then Bigsuper on the weekend or during the week?
Me always release 3 blogs a week, you know.
Oh.
And we make one Monday to Tuesday.
Yeah.
We make one Thursday to Friday. We make
Uh-huh.
supposed to make one today to Sunday. But we kind of have a bit up on Sunday.
Yeah.
Because 90% of the people them in front of them TV on a Sunday and on a holiday.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah, so you have,
people
you
there
have,
work.
to, you have to take into consideration. You do one of the driving blogs.
Guys, we just see Bigsuper. As we left out of the place and we are talking, I see a Bigsuper there. So we just drop him up at which party mall is. So when I watch the video and see him go up a sugar, just drop him right the same and go home. And then give us some nice advice. We respect Bigsuper, you know. And just give us some good advice so we can improve with channel. And we want to reach the 1K. And we really love that. He's a very good person. You know, some people them YouTube channel established and them no want to gain no tips or nothing, you know. They just say, oh, be consistent. Being consistent is one of them, yes. But you know what? There's more something else where you say you can do this or you can try this or try that. And Bigsuper did that, so I respect him. I really respect him for that.
So just make a shot.
And he make a shot, so I'm going to post it on his channel. He never have to do that and he did it. So now we are taking on the journey heading back to Bath. So guys, we're back in Bath and this is our box food. I start eating already. Fried chicken, brown stew chicken, some cabbage. Say enough? Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are at We're Done. 9 is keeping. It is 6:50 now. We come early because, as you know, we have Zaya, and when it get late, I can go have her out another night. Juke, I don't want she get sick, so we come early so that I can leave early. The sound already I played, but 2 minutes in the car, it's not that loud, but it already I played. People already set up where I go sell them stuff. There is 3 vendor at the front of the yard. Them I go sell them stuff. We are here in the background and Zaya watch something on her tablet because she's still in the car seat. So we just did in the car. Xavier up there because all them I do, the man them just did it, them just a drink and a chat because it's not really started. So him did a drink dragon and a chat. So with me and Zaya just in the car a chill little. If the AC are bad the mic, cause it sound like kind of loud. Me not have on my mic, me I use a camera, so it's one of the AC are bad. I just turn on the AC, you know, cause I did a sweat. Can you imagine? I'm 6:18 now, and the place is so hot. I'm ready to fall, you know. I'm gonna take it to turn it off and use the mic. Let me sit up. Yeah. So me and Zay just did the car. Just go and chill until about an hour or so. More go out this one. Stand up, show my face little. and carry her back and put in the car seat. Because the place kind of look bleaky like it's gonna rain anyway. So that's what's up. I think we need to get some jerk pork. I'm not getting a jerk pork from my jerk chicken last night. I wish about the dance that I keep. The guy will keep the dance, him that jerk chicken. So Xavier did buy a piece of that. But I think me that like piece of jerk pork.